Eid means joy and Eid means happiness. While enjoying that, we have to be careful not to violate the provisions of Sharia. On the day of Eid al-Fitr, many people observe foreign culture which is not desirable at all. There are strict restrictions on practicing foreign cultures. Ibn Umar radiallahu anhu said, "Whoever follows and imitates a people will belong to them." Abu Dawud 3989. Many people visit graves on the day of Eid, which is a complete farewell. Most of us are immersed in music and music on the day of Eid, but it is completely prohibited in Islamic Sharia. In the Hadith, the Prophet Muhammad said, "Among my ummah, there will be a group who considered adultery, silk cloths, alcohol, and musical instruments to be halal." Bukhari 5590. Ariful Islam Channel Al Hadir.